So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to identify if someone is using fake profile photo or pictures. So first you need to do is open the Chrome browser, and then or any web browser that you want to use. And then as you can see here, there's a search bar above, and then there is this. Okay, so enter facebook.com, and after that type your email or phone number here. So after that, type your password below the email, and then after the password, hit login, this button. So you can see your home timeline, and then you can see here this icon, a search bar icon. Click that, then type the name of the person that you want to. So mine is here. So once you find it, click it. Then you might see many accounts that has same name, so just find. So click this one, and you'll see this, their timeline, profile timeline. You can go to photos to search some photos or profile picture. So after that, right click on your mouse, then click save image as. Then you can also rename the photo and save it inside the file that you want to keep your picture. You want to keep the picture, and then minimize the Chrome browser, and then open your File Explorer, and then find the photo where you save that picture from Facebook. And once you will find it, click it and hold and drag it out from File Explorer. So move it to desktop, close the File Explorer, and after you close the File Explorer, you can see the picture here in the desktop. So open the Chrome again and hit the new tab, this sign, and type in search bar images.google.com. And then you can see this logo, Google Images. And hit the square icon in the middle, the top right corner of the Chrome. Then hold and drag it on Google Images, the picture that was on desktop. Then you can see here, make it bigger. Then you can see here the image size and YouTube.com, the related images. Then the links like this, Pinterest.com, this one, then this Pinterest.com. Then I don't know about the others. There's many like this one. Scroll down, you will see many related images that is very same. that is very similar to picture. So let's click this pinterest.com. So it will appear the picture. Here you will see like this one. It's very similar to the picture that I get from Facebook. So you will see very similar faces like this one, so cute. Then this one. So that's all, guys. I hope you like the video, and I hope it's very helpful for you. So subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the like button. So see you next time in my video. Bye bye.